Welcome to our Winsock WSC60N03 electronic components. This is a high-performance single N-channel field effect transistor. Package is TO-251, produced in 2020, with sufficient inventory. With 25,599,013 units, it has a drain source voltage of 30V, can withstand 60A drain current, drain source on resistance as low as 41 ohms, ensures excellent switching performance, designed with 20V gate source voltage, and 2184 NC gate charge, reverse recovery time of 2.5, maximum power dissipation of 50W. As an enhanced configuration device, it is highly adaptable, can work stably in the temperature range of -50 degrees to 150 degrees, especially suitable for the installation of various household appliances. If you are interested in this product, welcome to private letter us at any time. We will provide detailed information.